Hi everyone, it's Sean from Envision Robotics and thanks for tuning in. This year we're kicking off our summer camp season for kids 9+ with BattleBots. We're going to be using the Vex IQ platform and later on in the summer we've got a BattleBot Camp where we feature the LEGO Mindstorms EV3, which is shown here. But what's common to both of these camps is the kids put pencil to paper and plan out and design their battle component or components. And then they use a program called Tinkercad to 3D design it, and of course they get to 3D print it, attach it to the robots and battle it out. We also spend time going through BattleBot values, right? So every child that comes here has a great time. Let me just fire this up quickly. This is going to be a lot of fun. So our camps are sold out at the moment, but we're hoping that as the summer season goes on, we'll be able to open up more spots. So stay tuned and we'll be in touch. Thanks everyone.